Hey guys, welcome back to another new video. In today's video, you'll get to see how to remove the steering wheel of Volkswagen Touareg, the steps involved in removing it. So guys, firstly arrange the steering according to your convenience. Adjust the heights. So this is where you have to put a flat screw and pull that spring. There is a small metal hook which you need to pass a flat screw and pull it. That's when the spring gets released and you can remove the airbag. Do the same procedure with the other side of an airbag. Here you go, the airbag is removed. Now disconnect the battery. So you disconnect the battery, it's because you avoid further errors on a speedometer. There are connections which has to be removed to separate airbag. And once connection is removed, remove the center screw. Loosen up the screw and then you can remove the steering wheel separately from the assembly. Just make sure you have some marking to fix it back. Tools used are spline socket, small flat screw and 10 size for the battery.